Welcome to Logistiex. We're excited to announce that the Logistiex Fulfillment app is now available on the Shopify App Store. This tutorial will guide you through downloading the Logistiex Fulfillment app from the Shopify Store. Before we begin, we must sign an agreement with Logistiex and ensure your account is active on our platform. First, open any browser and navigate to the Shopify App Store. Now log in with your email and click on Continue with Email. After logging in the search bar, enter Logistiex Fulfillment app and then click on Logistiex Fulfillment. Click on Install, and during installation, grant permissions for seller, store, and customer information, as well as order-related fulfillment and delivery details. Once installed, click Get Started. You'll be prompted to enter your store location code, which must match those registered on the Logistiex Fulfillment platform. Your store location on Shopify will be automatically fetched. Upon successful validation of your entered data with our platform, you'll receive confirmation that the app is installed and ready to use. To update the information, click on Settings. Now, the features of the Logistiex Fulfillment app. Automatic sync, orders from your Shopify store synchronize in real time with our app. Fulfillment services, supports both cash on delivery and prepaid orders. Packaging and shipment, generates packaging slips and invoices and facilitates shipment handover to fulfillment partners. Real-time updates, tracks all events and provides real-time updates on orders and deliveries. Any order confirmed on Shopify will reflect its initial status as unfulfilled, which updates to fulfilled when orders are marked ready to ship. Now log into your Logistiex platform. On our platform, you can log in to view all orders under Open Orders. Use Print Invoice for printing the invoice, Print Label to generate packaging labels and mark it ready to ship to assign a pickup and delivery partner. Your orders from gets automatically synchronized with our platform after they are marked ready to ship. On our app you can see order status and get real-time order updates. This is an example of a fulfillment label and invoice generated on our app. NL Platform Ready to Ship registers the orders with fulfillment partner for pickup and delivery. NL Fulfillment Platform provides real-time order cancellation feature and tracking. Are you ready to optimize your e-commerce fulfillment process? Download the Logistiex Fulfillment app now from the Shopify App Store. For more information, please visit www.logistiex.com. Thank you for your time. We wish you all the success.